Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the amazing astrology parameters. You know what is happening? The debilitated Jupiter and Angarak Yoga plays game in the charts of Aquarius, born in 1973 and 1985. You see, 2 days back, two females approached me for predictions, and one female who is born in 1973 obviously has Jupiter debilitated, and she had a theft of huge huge sum of money from her house while she was away, and she wanted to know whether she will get back her lost property or not. The other female who approached me, simultaneously I could make out that she also has debilitated Jupiter, because you know the questions are similar. They may be, their age difference may be there, but the placement of Jupiter would definitely be in debilitation. And obviously she is born in 1985. I could imagine that she is born in 1985, and the Angarak Yoga will play important role in both the charts. Amazingly, my premonition that this girl will be born in 1985 proved spot on. And I could also imagine that her question will be for marriage, because Jupiter is the karka for husband, significator for husband, and it is debilitated in both cases. And I could imagine that the second girl will be born in 1985, and her question will be pertaining to marriage. In this video, we will be discussing the first of all whether the girl who was born in 1975, whether she will get back her lost property or not, and then the analysis for the girl, whether the girl with whom she is having the girl who is having an affair with a boy since 216, whether she will be able to marry that boy or not. So friends, let me read out the article and explain it to you. Although I'll be mentioning the link, and you can through the link you can read it in detail. So friends, in this article I'm going to discuss two cases which came to me yesterday, and both were female born in 1973 and 1985 respectively, and both had debilitated Jupiter in Shravana star. The Aquarius born in 1973 came since she had a theft in her house and all the valuables were stolen and major loss. As per the natal chart, Jupiter debilitated in the ascendant, and the Saturn the Dhanesh in the sign Taurus, and at the time of theft, Jupiter and Saturn conjunction in the ascendant in transit, and Jupiter near Saturn degrees and Saturn near Jupiter degrees. Rahu and Mars Angarak Yoga over the 5th house, over the natal Sun 8th Lord, and Mercury 6th Lord. Mars over the natal Sun degrees in Taurus, and Rahu over the natal Mercury 6th Lord degree wise. Natal Mars in the 2nd house aspects the Rahu transit over the 5th house degree wise at 20 degrees. Mars is also Avyogi planet in the chart of the girl, shows crystal clear of loss of property and almost parallel to insolvency. The most interesting part is that the PD Mars is also in operation from the 10th March. I had to do some correction in the birth chart because Mars is instrumental. Mars transit is also playing the role. So as per Bhavasiddhikal, so the PD Pratantra Dasha of Mars has to be in operation. So I had to do 2-3 minutes correction, time birth correction. The most interesting, but okay, the astrology principle proves spot on. At the time of the theft, the Angarak Yoga in the sign Taurus in the 7th house crystal clear shows the act and the valuables gone to the blacksmiths in the south direction in the same city and close by. For academic interest and analysis, we will study both birth chart and prashna chart in this article. In the case of female born in 1985, has Jupiter debilitated in the 8th house, aspected by Saturn retrograde from the sign Scorpio from the 6th house is most enigmatic. Jupiter is Marak, Vadak and having Kendradipati dosh connected to the 8th house, and the 8th lord becomes first class Marak because he is Vadak, he is Marak, he has Kendradipati dosh and connected to the 8th house, and he is the 7th lord, so he becomes a first class Marak. And this Jupiter can behave because the Vahan of Jupiter is elephant, and this Jupiter can behave like a mad elephant who has the capacity to ruin the jungle. Now this girl is having a relationship with a boy abroad since 9th January 2016. To my surprise, I also remembered the transit that on 9th January 2016 there was conjunction of Jupiter and Rahu in the sign Leo, and Jupiter was a fallen planet. Now just see, when the girl is coming to you for a question and the Jupiter, the Karka for husband, is debilitated. Jupiter, the Karka for husband, is debilitated in the birth chart in the 8th house, and at the time of coming in contact with this boyfriend on the 9th January 2016, Jupiter is fallen. It had gone in the sign Virgo. It has fallen back in Leo. And as per Tamil classic, it's the most venomous and the crucial parameter which has no strength at all. And it is in retrogression and at 29 degrees with Rahu. Degree conjunct. Both are degree conjunct, forming a Guru Chandal Yoga. And that Jupiter and the present Jupiter in the Prashna chart are in 6-8 axis. The answer is bold and clear. The boy will not marry the girl, and she will not get any support in the family from even if they get married. He will not like to take the responsibility of sharing the marriage in totality, how the marriage behaves, how the qualities of the husband will be missing as a good spouse, and there won't be any prosperity because Jupiter is a planet for prosperity. And in all the charts, the beginning when she started the relation, Jupiter is fallen, afflicted, retrograde. You see, Jupiter is afflicted in 4 ways. It is retrograde, 1 affliction, fallen, 2nd affliction, in Guru Rahu Ketu axis, the 3rd affliction. Then what is left in Jupiter? And now, right now, Jupiter is debilitated with Saturn, and then in the birth chart, Jupiter is debilitated and aspected by Saturn. So what is left in Jupiter? Obviously, it is bold and clear, crystal clear, that the marriage may not be a healthy one. The union may not bring prosperity, but for academic interest and for the lovers of astrology, I will discuss everything in detail. Do I need to analyze the detail, the Prashna chart and the birth chart? In fact, no. We have the answer clear and bold. The boy is not ready for marriage, and the girl is wasting her precious time running after the boy. For academic interest, we will study the birth chart and the Prashna chart in this case also. Yet another case where the person has asked when will he get marriage. His age is about 40 years. Oh well, friends.